Hi, and welcome back to another Microsoft 365 Message Center update. My name is Mark Stokes as usual, and this is talking about Message Center 241352. And this one is dealing with an announcement around OneDrive and OneDrive for Business Location Picker support for security groups and distribution lists. So what does this mean? This basically means that the data loss prevention capability in OneDrive for Business will soon support user accounts and groups as part of the policy scoping location picker. This rollout's going to begin early March, so around about now, and then this should be completed by mid-March, so within the next week or so, or maybe even already done by the time this video goes live. So basically what this means is we're going to start being able to set DLP policies and actually set groups of users, either by their department, their business unit, or geo-specific security groups. So we can apply specific DLP rules to specific groups of users within OneDrive for Business. So this is going to be really useful. I think more granularity we have on DLP policies, the better. It's going to help a lot of restrict a lot of false positives and things like that. So this is definitely welcome. I think a lot of people are going to like this. Now, note this DLP policy applies to existing membership of security groups or distribution groups, and the policy will be updated automatically to reflect any changes in membership. So if your users are moving in and out of groups, or you have dynamic groups, then they will be automatically honoured at the point of detection. So there's no impact there's no impact to existing DLP policies. Once available, you'll just see the new options as part of the OneDrive for Business policy setting in the Microsoft 365 Compliance Center. So nice, easy one. I think that's going to be useful. Should be rolling out soon. I look forward to hearing what you think and how you use that. So please, again, get in touch and let me know.